Hi, this is WalkmanEXE, and this is my 2016 audio demo reel of voices I've been in projects before, voices I've done just for fun, or just songs I'd like to sing, or characters I wish I could voice because I'm a big fan of the fandom. Without further ado, let's get started.
Who's bothering me? Psh! Figures only a human would be dumb enough to pick a fight with me. Oh well.
We have all but destroyed the Jedi Knights. The old Republic is crippled. They can do nothing to stop us now.
Woohoo! Check out that nice beam up there. Don't get me wrong, we're talking about the hanging health method here. It's so good for shoulder cramps. Hey, rattle this down.
Well, you see, Mr. Rose, when a student and teacher love each other very much, they go into dark rooms and... Would you want to go to my school? There's no time, Morty. We gotta get out of here. I owe the Blitzmanshits Mafia some major flippers, and they're gonna skin us if we don't make it out of here now. He claims that what they're doing in Africa is the missing piece. A weapon to surpass Metal Gear. Another simple supply run gone to shit, all because you had to protest smuggling drugs. And click! God damn it, keep her steady.
Riddle me this, Sherlock. Who has 2 thumbs, an opposable tail, and just outsmarted Vale's finest? This guy! I am the bone of my sword. Steel is my body, and fire is my blood. I have created over 1,000 blades, unknown to death, or known to life. I've withstood pain to create many weapons, yet those hands will never hold anything. So, as I pray, unlimited blade works! I love those dear hearts and gentle people who live in my hometown, because those dear hearts and gentle people will never ever let you down.